How to invite friends to join video live on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Then click on What's on Your Mind. Then simply click on Live Video option below Check-in. Then you'll find Invite Friend option on bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find friends and followers list. If you want to invite specific person, you can simply search their name on search option, which is above friends and followers. Or you can simply scroll all the way down to friends and followers to invite your friends. And this is how to invite friends to join video live on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.